In front of me is REALME C55, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Devices Settings. Now tap on Bluetooth and click on this switcher next to Bluetooth feature in order to activate it. Then wait for available devices to show, and when they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. In my case, this one. In the pop-up, you need to select Pair and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. In order to disconnect them, click on this icon next to the device. Select Phone Pair under device name. And to connect to the same one, disable Bluetooth, switch it back on. Click on it one more time and choose Pair again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!